Hello everyone. Today we'll walk through a tool that can help you with your typography and make your landing page stand out. Before we begin, we need to remember that a website isn't just about colors and color palettes. It's also how you present the information to your visitors. Typefaces and fonts plays a crucial role. If you look at award-winning websites, you'll notice they all have one thing in common: excellent typography that complements their design. Let's take a quick look at GitHub's homepage, for example, and see if we can make it better by just changing the fonts. Now imagine we tweak the font slightly. See the difference? This new font makes the page bolder and more visually striking. Now let's try testing a Halloween-themed website. Notice how the right font can set the perfect balance between friendly and spooky tone here. So now that we've established the importance of fonts, let me walk you through the features of this incredible typography tool. When you open the extension, the first thing you'll notice is how you can move it around the web page. This is super handy when you want to testing fonts, even in hard-to-reach corners of the page. Let's start by highlighting some text on a web page. Now from the drop-down menu, select a typeface. And voila, that's it, instant font preview right there. And now the best part of this tool is that it can even generate the CSS code for the selected font, saving you the hassle of searching for it on the Google Fonts website. Another cool little feature is the font finder tool we have here. Once you click on it, you can instantly find the font being used on this web page, and you can copy the CSS code for the font from here. Okay, let's now see what we have in the settings. So here we have got a couple of toggle buttons. Let's go over them one by one. The first one here is a dark mode toggle. So if you are sensitive to light, you can toggle to the dark mode. The second in the list is cycle fonts on key. So what this does is preview fonts on the web page even if you scroll the drop down with your arrow keys. This is quite useful if you don't feel like using the mouse or something. The last one is preview fonts on drop down. So if you disable this for whatever reason, you'll only see the names of the fonts on the drop down and not the preview. That's about the settings. Now let's explore more features of the extension. Let's start with this filter we have here. This nice little feature helps you narrow down fonts by category. You can even filter out Google fonts if you're focusing on local ones. Now let's move on to the random button we have here. So as the button says, it picks a font at random. A great way to get started if you are a bit confused. This tool is all about making great fonts pick. So of course you can adjust line, height, weight, set to italic, add underline, and more. Now if we go down here to the advanced features, you'll be able to adjust font size, color, letter spacing, and underline spacing. So if you ever want to test out other fonts from the web, you can download it and then upload it via this upload button. You can always find all the uploaded fonts in this settings menu. If you ever want to reset the fonts, you can click on the reset button. And if you no longer want to highlight text, you can disable it here. There you have it. One of the best typography tools out there that you can download. I had an absolute pleasure using this. Hope you guys do too. There's also a lifetime license available at a discount for a limited time if you click the link in the description. Hope you guys have found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know your favorite fonts in the comments.